How to wet paint in Blender. First of all, open your Blender project and select the mesh you want to wet paint. Then, switch to wet paint mode from the interaction mode drop-down in the top left corner of the 3D viewport. You will see the mesh turn blue by default, which means zero wet influence, while red areas show full influence. Use the brush settings on the left or at the top to adjust the strength and radius for more precise control while painting wets. It's important to create smooth transitions between wets to avoid sharp or unnatural deformations during animation. Use the blur brush to soften edges between colored areas. You can also use the wet gradient and add or subtract brushes to fine-tune the influence on your mesh. Another useful tip is to check the vertex groups panel, where you can see and edit wet values numerically. This helps when you need very precise adjustments to specific vertices. Finally, test your wet painting by pausing your armature and making small movements. Watch how the mesh deforms, and if you notice any odd stretching or collapsing, switch back to wet paint mode to fix those problems areas. And that's it. Now you know how to wet paint in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.